Now, how we are getting daily $200, $300, and even $500 per conversion, sales and affiliate commissions every single day with affiliate marketing using Google pay-per-click ads. Now, in this short video, I'm going to show exactly, as you can see over here, right? If I click, how I have made over 2,800 euros or over 3,000 US dollars in a day with affiliate marketing using Google pay-per-click ads. Now, the most important things when it comes to affiliate marketing is this. Let me first of all show you, right? You have to know exactly the math, okay? Meaning how much money you can actually make as a beginner, as a newbie, promoting affiliate offers, affiliate products online without showing your face and without making any kind of videos, of course. So as you can see over here, right, I love to promote offers or products with great upsell take rate. Let me show an example, right? Let's say you have only one sale per day. Okay, this is zero. Let's go to zero. Okay, zero sales. Let's say you have only one sale per day at 100 US dollars. Okay, one person buy a product for $100 and then they buy the upsell for $97 in the same minute, on the same hour of the day. In 24 hours, you have made 197, let's say 200 US dollars commission. That's 5,910 US dollars per month. Now ask yourself what you could do with extra, let's say 6,000 or 5,000 US dollars additionally beside your 9 to 5 job. Okay, maybe you can take your family for vacation or whatever, right? Now let's say you make 2 sales. Let's click over here. 2 sales, you are making $11,000 per month or 394 per day. Okay, if you have 3 sales per day, for example, you have 17,000 US dollars per month. Okay, now all this is still possible and doable in 2026. Because do you think it's a coincidence that people are making money online? They're making thousands of dollars online every single day. Okay, while others are struggling to get dollars online. It's not a coincidence. Why? Because there's always a system and strategy to everything in life. So let me show you exactly how this works in 2026. As you can see over here, right, with Google pay-per-click ads, we are targeting buyers' traffic, buyers' audience, buyers' clicks. Remember this, or write it down. The money is in the buyers' traffic, buyers' clicks. Okay, with Google, people go on Google for 2 reasons. One reason is to buy a product. Other reason is to get educated before they make a buying decision. Simple as that. If you have back pain, you want to lose weight, you go on Google. You have diabetes, you have problems with your heart or whatever, you go and Google it. True, right? True, true. You go and Google it because you're curious. And then you see the Google ad, and then you click on the ad, you go to a quiz funnel or website or a blog page, and suddenly you find yourself pulling out a credit card and buying that supplement, a vitamin, painkiller, whatever. Digital product, right? That's how it works in real life in 2026. So we are looking for buyers. Now, remember this, right? All you have to do is pick one, for example, if you're on ClickBank product using our exact criteria of markets. This is very important, okay? I know there are many people selling courses about affiliate marketing, but the most important thing is understanding psychology of market, human psychology and psychology of market. That's very important. Why? Because not every single market is the same. I know many gurus are telling you you're just one funnel away, which is not true. It's BS. Okay? You cannot just copy someone else and hope it's gonna work. It doesn't work this way because you don't know what you don't know. You don't know the backside, the background, behind the curtain, what kind of back end they have, what kind of targeting they have, who they are targeting. Because sometimes you can have a perfect funnel, but the wrong messaging, the wrong audience. So my friend, you're not going to get sales. You're going to lose money on Google Ads. It's not because it's scam or it's BS, it doesn't work. No, it's because you're targeting the wrong audience. And if you are targeting people who want iPhone, but you are selling them Samsung or Nokia or whatever, it won't work, right? It's mismatch. You need to have the right message to the market match in 2026. Okay, so you pick offer, you set up one Google ad campaign for, let's say, $10 to $20 to even $50 a day. Okay, following our step-by-step system, and it's up and running in 30 to 60 minutes. So 1 hour, let's say, set it up. And our goal is to get our money back in the same day, meaning you spend $1, you get $1 back. So you break even, and the rest it's all your profit that you can take into your bank. It's your cash from ATM, right? So that's our system. That's how it works in real life. Now, it's not about working harder, right? It's about being smarter. Why? Because it's all about making your money work for you. Okay, you put 50 US dollars in and you get 50 US dollars back in the first day, in the first 24 hours of running ad campaign. Okay, so the rest of the ClickBank commissions are all your affiliate profits, pure profit, 100% instant daily commissions. Okay, so let me show you exactly. On Google Ads, we are bidding by conversions. Okay, we are looking for people who are already actively, remember, actively searching for what we have to offer. So they're looking, they have the pain. Okay, let me show over here. Let me show over here, right? We have 5 stages of awareness audiences. We have unaware, problem aware, and solution aware, and problem aware, and product aware audiences. So it depends what kind of language patterns, what kind of audience criteria of markets you're using. It will determine, are you the one making the money or the one affiliate losing money? Okay, we can have one person here, let's say John over here, Joe over here, and Anna over here, and Anna is losing money and Joe is making money. Why? Because they have different systems. They're following the different system. They're promoting same product, but one person has someone who can help them one-on-one over the Zoom call, step by step, and other person is just following some course for 2,500 US dollars that they bought from some guru and copying and pasting everyone else in the world. Thousands of people doing the same copy and paste things. Who do you think they have more smarter advantage? Of course, Joe. Okay? Why? Because he understood early on that the way to fast forward in life is having someone personally help you one-on-one, step by step in 2026 by allowing yourself to have someone to give you the right strategy and framework that actually converts and works. Okay? That's the most important thing. Now let me show you this. Okay, here's what's happening. What happens once you step inside and finally start having results? One of my students over here, right? You can see she's from Spain. English is her second language, so she's not perfect in English. She has been making over 25K, 25,000 US dollars per month with ClickBank affiliate marketing. Another person, okay, she's stay-at-home mom, single mom with 2 children. Okay, over here. Another person over here. So what has affiliate marketing allowed me to do is over here, as you can see, traveling. Now, I don't know what your dream is or what your passion is, but it's possible. It's possible in 2026 to do what you want to do if you have at least 20 to 30 minutes per day to do this without showing your face, without being IT expert, without, I don't know, making any kind of videos, okay? Because we are running Google pay-per-click ads, as I told you before, if you remember, right? So if you're ready to start as you watch this video right now, 15 minutes from now, an hour from now, it's your choice. Why? Because as you can see over here, right, we do it together one-on-one, and as you can see, you have 2 options. Option A is right now you can keep doing what you're doing. You can forget about this YouTube video. You can go keep doing on your own, keep trying, keep losing more money, losing your ad accounts. Or if you're a smart person, and now you are, you can get complete one-on-one system, actually framework, the psychology of ads, criteria of markets, all those things maybe you're hearing for the first time in your life. Okay, maybe you have bought courses in the past and you have failed because you have never been taught the right methodology and system that actually converts. And it's not your fault. Okay, it's not your fault. You have failed, it's not your fault, because in 2026 it's all about having the edge, the leverage, okay, the leverage. And by leverage I mean someone who can help you one-on-one, step by step, over the Zoom call, give you the exact strategy, give you the right ad copy, targeting details, keywords. And then once you have $100 per day, $200, $300, $500 days, then you say, haha, suddenly it works. Heck, then you see what you were missing all those years or months of struggling before. Okay? So as you watch this video right now, if you want to connect with me one-on-one, you can connect with me personally, one-on-one, not with any AI chatbot, no. Personally, human being, one-on-one, on Instagram. You have my WhatsApp number. That's my personal cell phone number. Yes. Which guru has ever given you that? You have email. You have also Facebook Messenger. But please only reach out to me if you're action taker, not if you're a procrastinator, excuse maker, if you cannot afford to invest some money in yourself, do not reach out or waste my time, because I don't want to waste your time either. Okay, in 2026, it's all about being serious enough to understand that you deserve more. I mean, do you believe that you deserve more in life? Or are you destined to work 9 to 5 until you die? Okay, I think you deserve more, and you can do more for your family, for your own children, kids, parents, okay, whoever, if you watch this video, for yourself. If you love yourself, to take action now. But now you should understand that you deserve more in 2026 to get the results.